Have you, as an older gentleman, ever found yourself drawn to younger women, wondering how to bridge the age gap? You're not alone. In this video, we'll navigate the subtle art of attracting younger women while maintaining grace and maturity. We're going to delve into essential rules that will not only help you understand the nuances of modern dating, but also empower you to build meaningful connections that transcend age differences. From respecting boundaries to embracing your life experiences, we'll cover it all. And remember, there's a special bonus tip at the end of the video that you won't want to miss. It could be the key to making all the difference in your approach. 1. Cultivating emotional maturity. You might be wondering, why is this trait so captivating, especially to younger women? The answer lies deeper than you might think. Emotional maturity isn't just about being calm in the face of adversity. It's about fostering an environment where both you and your partner feel secure and valued. This quality is essential not only for the happy times, but also, and perhaps more importantly, for navigating life's inevitable challenges together. But what makes emotional maturity so essential? In a world often riddled with uncertainties, having a partner who is a stable and reassuring presence can be incredibly comforting. Emotional maturity isn't about suppressing emotions or avoiding problems. This kind of emotional intelligence can create a strong foundation for a relationship, making it more likely to thrive rather than just survive. Moreover, emotional maturity is about understanding and empathy. It involves recognizing not only your own emotions, but also being attuned to your partner's feelings and needs. 2. Respecting boundaries and independence. You might ask, why does this matter so much, particularly when dating younger women? The reasons are both respectful and empowering. Respecting a younger woman's boundaries and independence is crucial in today's relationship landscape. It's about recognizing and valuing her individuality, her aspirations, and her personal space. This respect is not about stepping back, but rather about fostering a partnership where both individuals can grow and flourish independently. Why is this respect so crucial? Younger women, like anyone else, seek a relationship where their personal goals and aspirations are supported, not overshadowed. By respecting her independence, you're not only showing that you value her as a person, but also that you're confident and secure in yourself. This kind of respect lays the foundation for a healthy and balanced relationship. But it's not just about giving space. It's also about being a supportive partner who encourages her ambitions and dreams. It's recognizing that a truly meaningful connection is one where both partners can pursue their individual goals while still being there for each other. In doing so, you create a dynamic of mutual respect and admiration, which is deeply attractive and sustainable in the long run. 3. Keeping up with social trends. Why is this particularly important in relationships with younger women? It's about connection, relevance, and shared experiences. Staying attuned to current social trends, be it in technology, culture, or entertainment, can greatly enhance your ability to connect with younger women. It's not about trying to fit in with a younger crowd or losing your sense of self. Rather, it's about showing that you are open-minded, curious, and willing to engage with the world as it evolves. Why does this matter? Younger women often find it appealing when an older partner shows interest in and understanding of their world. This doesn't mean you have to become an expert on every new trend or social media platform. It's about showing that you're not stuck in your ways and that you value and respect the perspectives and interests of a younger generation. Keeping up with social trends also opens up new topics of conversation and shared activities. It can be as simple as exploring new music genres together, watching popular shows, or understanding the latest technological advancements. This shared exploration can be a bonding experience, fostering a deeper connection and understanding between you two. This adaptability not only makes you more relatable, but also demonstrates a youthful energy and an openness to new experiences, which can be incredibly attractive in bridging the generational divide. Finding these tips helpful? Let's keep the conversation going. Hit the like button or share your experiences in the comments. I'm eager to hear your take. 4. Embracing life experience. Why is this particularly appealing, especially in relationships with younger women? It's about wisdom, perspective, and the richness that your life journey brings to a relationship. Embracing your life experiences means valuing the wisdom and perspective you've gained over the years. It's about sharing your journey, the lessons learned, and how these experiences have shaped you. This isn't about boasting or living in the past. It's about demonstrating how your experiences can enrich both your life and your relationships. So, why is this attractive? Younger women often appreciate the depth and stability that comes with a partner who has a wealth of life experience. It's not just about the stories or the past achievements. It's about the maturity, understanding, and perspective that you bring to the relationship. Your experiences can offer guidance, insight, and a sense of security in a world that can often feel uncertain and chaotic. But how do you embrace this effectively? It's about sharing your experiences in a way that is relevant and meaningful to your partner. It's about being open to learning from their experiences too, creating a mutual exchange of wisdom and growth. This mutual respect and sharing of life experiences can lead to a deeply connected and enriching relationship where both partners feel valued and understood. 5. Honesty and transparency. You may wonder, why are these qualities so critical, especially in relationships with younger women? It's all about trust, authenticity, and building a solid, genuine connection. Honesty and transparency go beyond just telling the truth. They're about being open about your intentions, feelings, and expectations. In a relationship with a younger woman, clear and honest communication can bridge gaps in understanding and expectations that might arise due to the age difference. Why is this so vital? Younger women, like anyone else, value trust and authenticity in a relationship. They seek a partner who is forthright, someone they can rely on to be genuine and truthful. Honesty fosters a sense of security and trust, which are foundational for any strong relationship. But honesty is not just about what you say, it's also about being true to yourself. It's about showing your genuine self, your vulnerabilities, and your aspirations. Transparency in your actions and words helps to create a deeper, more meaningful connection. It allows for a relationship built not on pretenses or superficiality, but on a real understanding and acceptance of each other. This approach not only builds a stronger bond, but also sets a tone of mutual respect and understanding, which is particularly appealing in a dynamic where one partner is significantly older. 6. Prioritizing health and well-being. Prioritizing your health and well-being is not just about physical appearance. It's about showing that you value yourself and your quality of life. This includes maintaining physical fitness, yes, but also taking care of your mental and emotional health. In relationships with younger women, this shows that you are not just physically active and energetic, but also mentally sharp and emotionally balanced. Why is this appealing? Younger women often look for partners who can keep up with them, not just in terms of physical activities, but also in enthusiasm and zest for life. A focus on health and well-being indicates that you are committed to enjoying life and are capable of being an active and engaging partner. But it's more than just keeping up. Prioritizing your health is also a sign of self-respect and a balanced lifestyle. It shows that you are proactive about your well-being and capable of taking care of yourself, which is an attractive trait at any age. Moreover, by prioritizing your health, you also set a positive example. It encourages a healthier lifestyle for both partners, leading to a relationship where both can enjoy a range of activities together, creating a bond that is both physically and emotionally fulfilling. Bonus tip. As we come to the end of our discussion, let's not forget this invaluable bonus tip: the essential role of respect and appreciation in relationships between younger women and older men. What makes these elements so crucial? Respect in a relationship is more than just being courteous. It's about deeply valuing each other's views, emotions, and life stories. For older men, this means genuinely recognizing and cherishing the energy, freshness, and perspectives that a younger woman contributes. On the flip side, for younger women, it involves appreciating the older man's experiences, wisdom, and the stability he brings into the partnership. Then, there's the element of appreciation. It's not just about acknowledging each other's presence. It's about genuinely being grateful for the unique attributes and the depth each brings into the relationship. This mutual gratitude builds a profound sense of partnership and connection. It's about more than sharing joyous moments. It's about valuing each other's support and strength, particularly in tougher times. Now that you've learned how to attract younger women, are you ready for more insights? Consider exploring the things women do when trying to seduce you, or learn the mistakes that chase younger women away. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.